Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE unboxing review. Today I'm going to bring you it's also in men's watch. Let's open the box and have a look. Okay, here we can see this is a manual book about this model today, NF9144. And then it's the guarantee card. Will provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's our watch today. It's a very nice and leather strap watch. First, let's have a look at the data about this watch. And this is a multifunctional watch. I will introduce you each window about it. At the 12 o'clock window, we can see it is the time display. Now it's 16 o'clock and 7 minutes. And here is the second window. It's working now. And then at 9 o'clock position window, it's for the week. And here is for the year, and now it's the year of 2021. And here is the month and date. Okay, at these models we got 5 modes, 5 functional modes. And now you can see this is the normal mode. We call it timing mode. Let's to see this manual book. And then when we press this button, we can switch to different modes. Now let's have a look at here this window. Now TUE means it's Tuesday today when we press this button. Now it changed to ALM, means now we come into the alarm clock setting mode. And press again. Now STP means it's the stopwatch mode. Now TR means the countdown mode. And DT means we are in the dual time display mode. And press again. Yes, we come back to the normal mode. If you want to know how to set each single functions, later we will have another video to teach you how to set it. Okay, about this watch, actually we have a bright. When we press these buttons, we can see the bright is on for 3 seconds. And 3 hands, we can see we have the luminous content on the hands. And around the bezels, we can see here is some words means the directions. It's actually a very nice watch. This is the backside case. The number here. Our logo brand here. And here is the leather. It's made of genuine leather and with a very good stitching. The leather is soft and flexible. Very nice color contrast to the black and red color. Okay, here the watch is on my wrist. The diameter is not not such bigger enough, so I think I can wear it as well. Okay, actually this model we have 5 colors. I will show you later. Okay guys, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this black combined red color watch, and then here is the brown, light brown colors combine the gold color case, and the ring inside the inner ring it's yellow color too. And this is a very nice color combined. And then it's a brown color. It's a brown leather and combine the black case. The 4 buttons is for setting the single functions, and the bigger crown here is for setting the 3 hands, the hour and minutes. And the brand logos on the barcode. The barcode use stainless steel and solid barcode. It's also a really nice color. I will try to this color. Yeah, I like this color too. And then the next color is blue, deep blue. It's a little light navy color actually, and the case color is light blue. The leather is navy color, and the stitching is similar to the leather watch leather. Really smooth and polished process for the case. Okay, the next color, the final one, is a fully black. Only the stitching is white, but it's a very cool color. The 4 button, it's silver. The crown is red, and the inner ring is white color too. The barcode is black too. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to know or see next model and which one you like, you can tell me. I will make the video of review next time. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.